Dude, I was just in front of your shop. Some guy walks up. He's like, "Hey, you want some like hanging dice for your rear view? Totally free."
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I was like, "Hell yeah, I want some free dice." He's like, "You gotta show me your dick."
No fucking way.
I swear, man, people are crazy.
What the fuck?
Yeah, f these guys.
So SEMA is the biggest automotive aftermarket event in the world, and behind me you can see the Wheelwell SEMA 2019 build. It is a 1966 Chevelle 4-door hardtop. It was hard to find. I bought it for $3,500, sight unseen, shipped down from Northern California to SoCal, and it's pink. 4 doors are a dime a dozen, but the 4-door no-post Chevelle is quite elusive. Reignite the market for 4-door muscle vehicles. This car needs a lot of work, so we're partnering with Original Parts Group Incorporated. They make just about every body panel that you can put on this vehicle. Some of the panels are in good shape, some are in rough shape. So we're gonna go through, redo the fenders, we're gonna put a cowl hood on it, we're gonna clean up all of the window trimmings, the seals, make sure it's nice and tight, we're not gonna get water in it. You know, new rear views, do a whole new dash. We're gonna partner with Dakota Digital, put a nice THX system in there. The seats are in good shape. Not sure what we're gonna do there yet, but definitely needs new carpet. And you know, maybe like, you know, some of those dingle balls that you see, maybe like a nice fuzzy dash. I don't know. You never know what's gonna happen. We'll show you the rendering, see how close we can get to that.
Trying to get some of the air out of the brakes. It's been sitting for a while and it ran dry, so when I went to move it right now I had no brakes, so I had to use the e-brake to get it in here. So sometimes if you just put a little fluid in them and pump them for a little bit, they'll build up pressure again. So
right now it's just the original 327. Well, as far as I can tell, I haven't really dug too deep into the actual block. Has an aftermarket manifold from Metalbrock, a Holly car, Chevrolet dress-up kit, but we're gonna take all of this out and throw something special in for SEMA, so keep an eye out for that. It's gonna break my car. At least he can fix it. And then we're gonna do a little bit of body work today. What?
body work, bro, just not my cup of deal.
Well, Barney's gonna get a little bit of an upgrade today, so let's get to it. Hold it while you unbolt it? Is that the...
Now what we'll do is I'll hit my side with the electric ratchet, and I'll hold it, and I'll get past you the ratchet, and then you'll take off your side, and you'll set the ratchet down, and I'll carry the hood off.
All right. This guy, and then we're gonna lift it off.
Don't scratch the paint. What the fuck, bro?
There we go.
On your side, do the washers match up kind of where they used to be, or no?
Negative.
Try to match them up to see. Let's start there. Yeah, already put on reverse.
Too shabby.
So we need to go back a little more. Right there.
unscrew these guys and like just try to push it all the way over. A bit. So we're gonna pop off a fender now. Fucking asshole. We're gonna pop off a fender now and test fit it. Cobwebs come falling out.
Clip on something?
Yeah.
The door maybe?
Is it?
Throw it down.
There we go.
Pretty straight.
This is a very special piece because this is called the Wheelwell. You try to test fit it?
Yeah, fuck it.
What does the body guy do? Just filler?
I mean, sometimes he might grind this and try to get the whole fender back. I was thinking about the firewall if we wanted to do like a one piece or something, make it look really clean, but then that like, gotta take off the heater box and all the shit's gonna be flush, so just trying to figure out what the plans are down the road.
Just remember I'm gonna have my my kids in the back a lot of the time, so safety second.
And then it's done.
All right, so we have the fender test fit. It's pretty cool. OPGI actually makes the full fender kits. Almost every single body panel on this car you can get from them. And with any body modification, you're gonna need someone who knows what they're doing to make sure all the gaps line up correctly and it actually looks right and original. So we're gonna call in our buddy and see if we can't get a little bit of help. Not that we're in over our heads, but we're in over our heads.
I saw that we had a lot more water damage up here where the rear window was, so I figured we'd get to this first before we don't have any fucking metal left back here, you know? So we had my buddy Spike come over.
My name is Big Spike, and I'm the owner at Gator Customs. I do a lot of metal fabrication, bodywork, paint. Buddies called me out here today. They got this pile of junk here, 66 Chevelle 4-door. Of all things, a 4-door. We're gonna show people out there, you know, it's not just about 2 doors. We're gonna make 4 doors look bitchin'.
I want to do a whole car like that now.
Oh,
Clear coat that bitch.
Right?
I'm just gonna do your whole car bare metal and clear coat it. All right.
I'd actually be down for that. Alright? I like bare metal, man.
Bare metal and hopper. Fucking, we're done.
I'm notorious for doing stuff that's either sacrilegious or that people just like hate, but then they'll love in like 3 years. You know, I brought an electric car to SEMA in 2012, and everybody was talking shit. Like they were like, "Why would you do this?" It was a 28 Buick, converted to electric, and everyone's like, "You're stupid. You should have thrown like a diesel motor in that thing or something." And then you flash forward to last year, and like Jonathan Ward brings an Icon derelict with a Tesla drivetrain. Everybody's just like, "Oh my god, so revolutionary!" As it evolves, like the build will start to speak on behalf of itself and let me know what it should do. Nice. But shit, bare metal, it's a good idea. And it would show off all the the OPGI stuff. Yeah. Other way. Sure looks short, no? Huh? Sure the fuck is.
We have to actually fabric up our own piece back here for the window seal to sit in. So he took it with him, and he's gonna end up working that out for us, making a new piece for us.
So the problem with having a bit of an esoteric style vehicle is you don't have all the pieces that you'll need straight from any manufacturer. So most of the manufacturers make all the pieces for a 2-door, not so much for the 4-door, because they're not popular yet. So a little bit of a rough start for our SEMA build. We're a little in over our heads, but that's a good thing, because we're going to call in some professionals. And since this video was a bit of a wash, we're going to go ahead and just end it with a burnout. Does my new health insurance cover mesothelioma?
Not here, it doesn't.
You're gonna die like a man, Jacob.
To follow the progress of these idiots in our SEMA build, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram.